So welcome back students in class 8 exercise 1.1 subject mathematics. So as we had seen yesterday that what are rational numbers, how to represent the rational number on number line, what are positive rational numbers, what are negative rational numbers. These we had seen already yesterday. Okay, so now we will have to begin our exercise 1.1. So your exercise 1.1 question number first. You have to state whether true or false. You have to tell this statement is true or false. So according to this, minus 9 upon 13 lies to the left of 0 on the number line. According to that statement, we have to check that whether minus 9 upon 13 lies to the left of 0 on the number line. So definitely this is true statement. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So which kind of rational number it is? It is negative rational number, and we know that negative number always lies the left hand side of the 0. Okay, so according to that, minus 9 upon 13 lies to the left side of the 0. The correct is this. So this statement is true. Okay, this statement is true. Second one, minus 15 upon minus 13 lies to the left side of 0. Means minus 15 upon minus 13 0 के left में आ रहा है. Okay, first we have to identify which kind of rational number it is. Minus 15 upon minus 13. That means minus to minus cancel. So it is which kind of rational number? It is positive rational number. So positive number always comes on right hand side of the 0. So that means this statement is false. So this statement is false. Understood everybody? Third, they are asking the rational number minus 8 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 lies on the opposite side of 0 of the number line. कहने का मतलब यह है कि these two numbers are opposite of 0 on number line. So means कि 0 के opposite हो, यानी एक ही साइड में होंगे. This is false. One will be on this side and one will be on this side. So this statement is also false. Okay. Now question number 2. Which of the two rational number is greater in the given pair? Okay, we have to identify which number is greater. First one is -3/4 and 1/4. -3/4 and 1/4. Naturally, we know that always positive number is greater than the negative number. We know that very well. So that means this is which kind of rational number? This is negative rational number, and this is which kind of rational number? Positive rational number. So that means you can write here also reason. Positive rational number always greater than the negative rational number. Therefore, 1/4 is greater. Understand? The reason also you should mention in the answer that why this is greater, because positive rational number always greater than the negative rational number. That's why 1/4 is rational. Sorry, greater rational number between these two rational numbers. Okay. B part. This is A part. This is B part. Minus 3/11 or 0. Which one is greater? Minus 3/11 or 0? So 0 is always greater than the negative number. Why? On number line also you can observe that 0 comes on right hand side. So that means 0 is greater than any negative number, even minus 900, 9,999, whatever is there, but 0 is always greater than any negative number. Okay? So answer you will have to write here 0 is greater. Okay? D part 5/6 or 6/7. So we will have to compare these both rational numbers. The problem is this, that neither numerator not denominators are equal. The problem is this कि ना तो numerator equal है ना denominator equal है. So how can we compare that which one is greater? So for this purpose, let me do equal of these denominators. पहले हमें we have to convert these denominators in equal. Okay. So पहले इसके equal करना है. तो how to do equalization of these two denominators? So for this we have to do like this, cross multiply. Means this 7 can be multiplied by this 5 and downside by this 6. Understand? And this 6 upon 7 would be multiplied by 6. 6 into 6 and 7 into 6. So 5 7 ja 35 upon 6 7 ja 42 and 6 6 ja 36 upon 6 7 ja 42. So now denominators are same. So clearly we can observe the numerators, okay, between these numerators which is greater, the 36 is greater. So that means 36 upon 42 is greater than 35 upon 42. So what is the original fraction, original rational number of this 36 upon 42? The original number is 6 upon 7. So our answer 6 upon 7 is greater. Understand everybody? So how to solve these kind of questions? Firstly we have to identify that which kind of rational number, positive or negative. According to that we can decide that which one is greater, and if signs are same then we have to check the denominators. If denominators are same then easily we can identify that which numerator is greater, that would be the greater rational number. And if denominators are not same, then first we will have to convert into same denominator, and then after we have to decide which one is greater by observing the numerator. Understand? So now the third question we will have to solve. Question number third, that is fill in the blanks by using greater than, less than or equals to sign. So numbers are first minus 12 upon 9 and 60 upon 45. So look at here. Clearly it is visible that which kind of rational number it is. It is negative rational number. And which kind of rational number? It is positive rational number. So you know very well that positive rational number is always greater than the negative rational number. So 60 upon 45 is greater than minus 12 upon 9. Understand? The next one is minus 11 upon 8 and 33 upon minus 24. So this is the question. So first we will have to observe that which kind of these rational number. So it is negative rational number and this is also negative rational number. So we cannot identify that which one is greater. Okay. So let me examine these numbers. This is negative rational number. It can be written as minus 33 upon 24. We can shift this negative side upside also. Understand? So these both are same. No difference is there. 33 upon minus 24 and minus 33 upon 24. Both are same. So now we have to compare these numbers. Okay. Now, after deciding that which is negative, which is positive rational number, now the next step is we have to convert into lowest form. So you know very well that what is lowest form. These both can be divided by same number. Any same number? Yes, they can divide it only by 1. Except 1, they cannot divide it by any other numbers. Okay, so this is called lowest form. And here 33 minus 33 and 24 can be divided by any number? Yes, except then 1. It can be divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24. Okay, so what has come? Minus 11 upon 8. So which number it is? Minus 11 upon 8. And which number it is? Minus 11 upon 8. Okay, so minus 11 upon 8 is the lowest form of 33 upon minus 24. So you can see that these both rational numbers are equal. Both are equal because denominators are also same and numerators are also same. So now you can write equal sign. Okay. So in these kind of questions, what students do actually, they directly put the sign. They directly put this greater than sign, less than sign, equals to sign. They directly put. But you should not do like this. Here we can directly put, because we observe that always the positive rational number is always greater than negative, so we can put here. But here directly we cannot write. Firstly we have to give the reason why it is equal. So we have solved like this, and then after we observe that these both are equal. So now we can put the equal sign. So in homework copy you must do like this. Firstly solve, give the reason, and then after put the sign. Okay. Now C part. 3 upon minus 8 and minus 8 upon 12. So again, firstly, basically we have to observe that which kind of rational number these are. This is negative and this is also negative. So we can shift this negative sign upside. Minus 3 upon 8 I can write, and here minus 8 upon 12. Okay. Thereafter, second thing, what we have to apply? We have to reduce in lowest form. Okay. So these both are already in lowest form because these both cannot divide by any other number rather than 1. And this minus 8 upon 12 can be converted into lowest form. So by which number we will divide? We can divide it by 4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. So minus 3 upon 8 and here minus 2 upon 3. Now we have to concentrate on denominators. Denominators are not equal, so we have to convert into equal denominator. So how can we do? I had told that by cross multiply this 3 by numerator and denominator and this 8 by numerator and denominator. So minus 3 multiplied by 3 upon 8 multiplied by 3, and here minus 2 multiplied by 8 and 3 multiplied by 8. So what answer will come? 3 3 9, minus 9 upon 8 3 24, and here minus 2 8 16, minus 16 upon 8 3 24. So now denominators are same. So now we can observe numerator. One is minus 9 and another is minus 16. So between these minus 9 and minus 16, which is the greater one? Obviously, that minus 9 is nearest to 0 on number line and minus 16 is far away from 0. Means minus 9 comes on right hand side and minus 16 comes on left hand side on number line. So that means minus 9 is greater. And which fraction is minus 9 upon 24? It is equivalent to 8 upon minus 3. So this is greater than minus 8 upon 12. Understand everybody? I hope you better understand today and how to compare the rational number. The steps I have told you, different types of questions we have done, that how to compare the rational numbers. So okay, so the remaining part of the questions you will have to solve in your homework copy, and that would be your homework. Understand everybody? So I hope you learned many things today, and if you enjoyed, if you learned, so please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.